On the foggy and beautiful morning after Christmas, the backwoods of Ohio were looking very appealing, so the boys decided to hatch a plan. A plan to leave behind the commercialism of the holidays. A plan to leave their channels that usually revolve around electronics and gaming, to take some time to find peace in the outdoors, and start a project that was a great undertaking. Welcome everybody to the first video on the Unplugged channel. I'm here with Ross and Corbin, and we are going to be getting ready to build a bushcraft style fort with very limited resources, no rope, no nails, just the woods and 2 axes. Let's get started. We're going to be drawing out the game plan, starting off with clearing the tree and making an outline. We're going to support the beams by adding them to another tree and start laying sticks on the roof to really enhance the structure and durability. The way we're going to make the fort waterproof is by adding 3 layers of water protection, starting off with a very thick layer of leaves and moving on to a thin layer of moss. Once the moss is all put down, we'll then put a hard layer of bark all over the roof. Once the roof is completely waterproof, we'll clear out leaves and start building our fire pit. We'll make a hole in the roof for smoke and start adding in supplies like sleeping bags. Now, into the building.
Once the support beams are in place, we begin to add sticks and logs to strengthen the whole roof.
Once the base of the roof is in place, we begin to add the first layer of water protection, leaves.
After the fire pit was assembled, we started to clear out leaves and brush to make a safer and more comfortable camping space.
Clearing out the leaves and brush will not only make the fort more comfortable and livable, but will also make it less likely for fire to spread into the fort and the woods around us. It was at this point in the project when we really started to fear the idea of pouring rain, and trust me, it poured. After seeing that our structure could withstand the wind and rain, we became more confident about our overall build. However, we became less confident about the water protection of our roof. So here we began to add moss and bark to really make this fort waterproof. It really is awesome to see the transformation that 3 guys can make from an empty patch of woods to an incredible fort. This project was a lot of fun, but it took a lot of time and effort for us to build. So please, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below what you want us to do next on the Unplugged channel. We're so excited to start making content for you guys. Things like bargain hunting, bushcrafting, camping, and traveling will all be coming in future episodes. Peace.